Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. Over the last 3 or 4 months, a lot of people have been asking me, Scott, what power washer are you using in your latest videos? I didn't answer the question because I was actually testing many different power washers, from some high-end Krenzels all the way down to Sunjoes and Greenworks, you name it. What started me on this journey is I wanted to find a high-quality power washer that gave me a great experience of washing my cars at home. Of all the power washers I tested, this one won my heart. In fact, as of yesterday, even though I've been testing this thing for about 3 to 4 months and running it through its paces, I have become a Comet distributor here in the United States. So I want to talk about this machine. I'm going to have it on my website, and I want to show you how the kit comes. Everything you see on this table is going to come in one kit. Here we go. What we have is the Comet Static 1700, 1300 PSI, 2.2 gallons per minute electric power washer. It comes with a 65-foot flexible heavy-duty hose on the machine with the reel. Really nice. I'll get to that in a minute. You're also going to get with this kit a wall mount. That wall mount right there comes with everything that you need, right down to the hardware to be able to fasten it to the wall. What's really cool about this wall mount is once you have it mounted to the wall, you take the Comet Static 1700 and slide it into the wall mount. Very easy to remove. You just turn those little orange tabs, and on the bottom of the Comet, you push that little orange button and it comes right off the wall mount. This was very cool for me because even here in Dallas we can have some deep freezes. So sometimes, because my garage isn't heated, I need to pull it off the wall and store it in a controlled environment. So really sexy how it comes off the wall so easily. Everything in this package, Comet did a great job. They give you everything you need. This is a turnkey or a plug-and-play experience. You will not have to outsource any material. You're not going to buy this and go, oops, I got to go to the hardware store. They give you tons of accessories that are stainless steel, quick disconnects, and a bunch of different couplings depending on what you want to set it up with. So it's really cool. It even comes with Teflon tape. Yes, you'll need a little bit of Teflon tape to make some of these connections possible. In this system, it also comes with this foam cannon. What's really cool about this foam cannon, the orifice within the foam cannon is perfectly married or matched to the specs of the Comet 1700 at 1300 PSI and 2.2 gallons per minute. So that's really cool. You will not have to change the orifice. It's ready to go to give you a nice experience. With the kit, you're going to get the MV925S HD. This is a little bit different than the one I highlighted the other day that I bought from Grainger. This is a heavy-duty version. In the kit, you get the gun. It has a built-in swivel. Everything here, the gun, all these accessories, extension wand, and power washer, all made in Italy. Very nice, high quality. But the MV925S HD, it will come with the stainless steel 1/4 inch quick disconnect on the end of the gun. Also comes with the male coupling so that you can fasten it into the end of your hose, so that's really nice. Also comes with 5 different nozzles, which is pretty standard with most power washers, so you get all those as well. I thought this was really cool, so if you want to use the gun, it comes with the kit. You might want a wand, an extension wand. The extension wand that comes with this, get a load of this, folks. This is also made in Italy. It is a MTM Hydro extension wand. It will have the male coupling on the end of the wand so that you can go ahead and hook it into the end of your gun. Really effective, really efficient, really sweet. The end of the wand comes with a little protective rubber boot on the end of the wand. This is just my personal preference. I don't like them on the wand, so I took mine off, but it will come with it on the wand. You guys can decide what you want to do. That's pretty cool. I also want to talk about what's going to come with this kit. So we kind of get all this pro stuff, right? You get the beautiful power washer, the wall mount, the foam cannon. You get the heavy duty, made in Italy, MV925S HD, the extension wand by MTM Hydro. That's kind of what I'm calling the pro version. But I'm also going to throw in with the kit the standard accessories with Comet. This is a standard gun that comes with the unit as one kit Also comes with these two extension wands that are bent at a 20-degree angle. This has got an adjustment. You just turn that end of that wand and you change your fan spread. Here is a turbojet nozzle. Folks, if you could pick these things up, even as a entry-level standard accessory kit, even these things feel really nice, high quality. I've used them. I love them. They work. It also comes with this brush. When I first saw this brush, I said, what in the world am I going to do with it? When I attach it to this standard accessory gun, I can actually clean rubber floor mats with my car, or that are in my car. That thing will spin, and I can kind of scrub rubber floor mats. That's pretty cool. It also comes with this hanger, so if you want to mount this to the wall, you can hang all your standard accessories as well. That's pretty cool. But that's a cool little system there. Everything you need, right down to the hardware, fastening it to the wall, is amazing. It's all there. You will not have to outsource any material. Here is a foam cannon that comes with the kit as well. This is kind of an entry-level foam cannon. Not the best in the world, but it works, and it's going to be in the kit, so you get it. So that's awesome. Everything you see on this table, the standard accessories, the pro accessories, plus the power washer and the extension wand by MTM Hydro, is going to run $7.99. There is going to be a little bit of an extra shipping cost because this comes in 2 boxes and it's awfully heavy, so there's going to be a little bit of an extra shipping cost. At this time, I have about 10 of these units that just walked into my shipping department. If you buy these within the next couple of days, it's going to take us about 2 to 3 days to kind of repackage these things the way we want before we ship them out. So just be aware that it might take 2 to 3 extra days to get it to you, but we'll get it out as soon as possible. I have about 10 in stock. I've got more coming. This is kind of a limited quantity at the moment, but the end of March, beginning of April, I will have tons of them in stock. I want to go back to this gun, the MV925S HD. I'll also have this gun on my website that you can purchase separately 2 different ways. I'll have it with just the gun alone without the 1/4-inch stainless steel quick disconnect or the male coupling on the end of it, but it will be the Italian-made M925S HD with the built-in swivel. Believe the price for the gun alone is going to be about $34.99. That's pretty cool. You'll see it on my website. You can buy it separately if you want, but again, it won't come with the accessories with it. But nice Italian-made, built-in swivel, high-pressure gun if you guys are interested in that. I'll also sell it another way, just the way you see it, the complete gun the way it is. All the adapters and quick disconnects that are stainless steel onto the gun will be attached to it. It will also come with the 5 nozzles as a kit and even a roll of Teflon tape. That cost there for the complete gun the way you see it, the nozzle and the Teflon tape, I believe is going to be around $59. Just double check on my website. We're putting it all together now for you, so that's a really nice option as well. This machine, it's rated 1300 PSI, 2.2 gallons per minute. All power washers are going to lose that pressure a little bit in gallons per minute. Here in Dallas, I tested this unit, against my pressure coming out of my tap system. I'm getting about 1100 PSI and about 1.9 gallons per minute by the time it comes out the end of the gun or the wand. Completely effective and sufficient to clean our sweet rides. That's really awesome. The other thing is you will not have to change the breaker on your outlet. When you run this system, even with a foam cannon, it will not trip the breaker. You can use a standard outlet that is really nice versus some of these very, very expensive power washers on the market that trip breakers. The back of this machine here, it's got about a 15-foot cord, I want to say. Could be a little bit longer. So when you hang it on the wall, you want to be about 15 to 20 feet away from a standard outlet. It will work just fine. Really, really sweet. Folks, I wanted to share it with you. Out of all the machines I tested, this was the one that won my heart. The experience is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of fun to play with it. The foam cannon works. So it works incredibly well. Having that MV925S HD all ready to go in the kit is amazing. It's actually made by Comet's sister company in Italy. The extension wand by MTM Hydro. All the stainless steel quick disconnects that you need and couplings, Teflon tape, even the standard accessory package with that cute little foam cannon, right? $7.99, and there'll be a little bit of a shipping cost as well. But I just thought for the money, for the quality. It is made in Italy, which is really nice. When you run this thing, it doesn't sound like these Chinese pumps and motors that are found in a lot of power washers that we buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's got a totally different pitch and tone to it. It's not obnoxious, real easy to work around. I absolutely love it. The reel on this thing, although the reel is plastic, when I first saw that I said, uh-oh, I don't like that. Folks, I force myself 3 to 4 times a day to pull the hose completely out of the reel and then reel it back in. I've not had an issue with the reel at all. When I use this thing, I hang it on the wall and I pull out about 40 feet to wash my car. I typically don't reel it back up. I have a hook on the wall next to the machine and I kind of just hang the hose on the hook so it's ready for me to go the next time I want to wash my car. But you certainly can reel this bad boy in. I've tested it over and over again. This is not a standard reel that you would find on like a Greenworks or a Sun Joe. Even though it's plastic, it's much more heavy duty, made in Italy. I love it. So there you go. You can get that whole accessory. This whole kit is one package for $79 or $7.99. Or if you're just interested in the guns alone, I'll have them 2 different ways as I mentioned in the video. I love you guys. I hope that helps you out. I'll talk to you soon.